Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection without waiting on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you have recently turned on the stolen device protection on your iPhone, now if you want to turn it off immediately, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings again, and this time you have to simply click on Face ID and passcode. And here you have to make sure that you remember your passcode because you have to provide here the passcode. Now what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of turn stolen device protection. Now, so if you want to turn off stolen device protection, then here is the option available. So it always requires security delay, which means you turn off the stolen device protection, and after confirmation of Face ID, you can see that there is a security delay required. But if you do not want the security delay and you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then you have to remember one thing. So here is the option available, requires security delay. So here is option available that you can simply select away from the familiar location, which means if you are at a familiar location and you have added the recently familiar location, then you can simply turn off the stolen device protection immediately. But if you select all, then it will always do for a security delay when you turn off the stolen device protection. So in this way, you can simply turn off the stolen device protection without waiting. But otherwise, there is no option available that you want to turn off the stolen device protection and you do not want to wait. There is no option available. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.